Alright, today I'm at a cafe right now, and like I want to come to this cafe is because they can like draw these bottles. The cat, so cute. Oh, I want this one. This one like looks pretty good. And my mom wants this one. It's like lychee, but it's not like soda. Oh, you want this one? We want yuzu soda and butterfly pea lychee.
Okay, butterfly green tea.
And matcha berry.
Matcha berry. Do you want to painting?
Yes.
We have a painting bottle. Painting bottle including 79 baht. And painting candle including to 99 baht. Under the frame painting and light painting start 100 baht.
I think these are like the bottles that other people drew here. And they will write like sticky notes here and then stick it on. And it's like for this cafe, if you want to draw like one bottle, and then you need to buy like drink. One drink equals to one bottle, and add them both together it's like 79 baht. I'm gonna choose like these. I think like this one that I chose is like pretty good. It's like there's berry in there, and I mixed it up a bit, but you can't actually taste like the flavor of the berry. It's mostly like matcha. This is not soft at all. I think it's like pretty soft now. I accidentally like draw too much like the light green here, so I covered it with like the dark green. Turtle. Do you think this looks like a turtle? Draw like the character that me and my friend made. It's called Panto, which is like mixed by panda and turtle. So, oh, oopsie, I accidentally drew it wrong again. I'm gonna draw Turda now. Turda is like the turtle version of panda, and this one, Panto, is the turtle version of panda. No, panda version of turtle. I got a bit mixed up. It's quite the same. It's actually already dry now for like the head of the turtle, but not here because I think I put a bit like too much paint in there. I already finished this Panto. I only have like a little bit of space now, so I need to draw it like a bit smaller than Panto. Actually, I think I should wait until they're dry because I might need to put my hand here. finished my bottle, and so I drew like the two characters that me and my friend made. One is this turtle, which is the panda version of the turtle version of the panda, and this one is Panto, which is the panda version of turtle, and this one is like the original turtle. It's just, it don't look like turtle, but trust me, that is a turtle. I'm gonna go wash my hands because it's like pretty dirty right now. Now I finished drawing this and I'm gonna go for like lunch. Now we're at Central Festival and I'm gonna eat Hongji restaurant, and for the menu they have Thai, English and Chinese. I think I'm gonna eat this one, and this one because they're like, these are like my favorite noodles. Yeah. Definitely not add onion because I said it in my last English vlog. The onion is the thing that I hate the most. For spicy, I think this one because I can't eat spicy, but not like that much spicy. I'm gonna eat these two, you're gonna eat these two because these are bigger. This is tomato beef noodle, and this is the other one. My dad is gonna eat half of the noodle and I'm gonna eat half of the noodle. Same as this one. Now I finished my lunch and now it's 12, so there's a lot of people in here in the food park. And that's the end of my vlog. See you next time. Bye bye.